Hi guys, this is Children Into Music. I just passed by to say thank you sa lahat sa inyo sa patuloy ninyo na pagsusuporta sa akin, mga organic and inorganic viewers na nandyan kayo since the date I got monetized. I got monetized last October 2022 but unfortunately na-stop yung ads ko kasi yung PIN address ko ay nilipat ko sa Pilipinas kasi naka-address yun sa Middle East, so I apply for new PIN number. So dinilit ko yung old PIN ko at saka nag-apply ako ng new PIN that was addressed to Philippines, and 2023 na monetize ako ulit, and since that day, little by little I keep moving para sa aking channel kahit busy tayo sa work. So ngayon, I decided to upload more useful videos, yung makapagbigay ng mga encouragement sa ating mga organic viewers kasi nandyan kayo lagi nag-view sa akin. Thank you so much, and now I decided to upload much useful videos like health tips, mga advices, how to carry a good relationship, how to handle ourselves in a positive way, and more. So for now, I'm thinking I will mix my videos, not all about covered songs, kasi gusto ko rin makapagbigay ng encouragement sa inyo. And one of these days, I'll be uploading more videos. So sa lahat ng mga viewers ko from different parts of the world, I'll not mention you, mga OFW, mga kababayan natin dyan sa Pinas, mga organic viewers ko. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat. And so see you on my next videos. Thank you so much and God bless everybody.